everyone, Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and this video here is going to be mail call, shout out, and I'm going to go ahead and do my Christmas group build entry for the Clona toy, and then at the end of it, Russell, I got show you those Porsches you was wanting to look at, you wanted me to dig out. So alright, Russell, I'll show it at the end of this. And first of all, I got a mail call from my Irish buddy. I love this guy. He's awesome. And if you guys ain't subscribed to him, you need to subscribe to him. He is, man, that dude, he can build anything. I mean, military, dioramas, cars, trucks, and dude, he's a lighting king. He can light them up. Oh my God. So if y'all ain't subscribed to him, which a lot of you that are subscribed to me are, but if for some reason you ain't, get over there and go see old Seamus at See My BMW, See Me BMW. There's a shop card right there. And get over there and subscribe to him and check him out. And Seamus, thank you for the kind words and support, brother. I love this shop card. That thing is super awesome. And here within the next few weeks, I'll get a package out to you, buddy. Alright, that's that one. And then yesterday, we had a little, it was a small one, but a little model show in Fort Smith at the Hobby Town. And Ed and Ernie were gracious enough to come down and check it out with me and spend the day with me and my wife. And I think my oldest boy and his wife, my niece. So he come down, spent the whole day with us, and we had a good time, fed him afterwards. And he gave me his new shop card. I got his old shop card, but he also gave me his new shop card, and here it is. And if y'all's not subscribed to Ed, it's Ed at Ed's Attention to Detail, and he's awesome. His wife Ernie, they're awesome. She's got her own channel too, and go over there and subscribe to him. This is his new shop card, and thank you for the words on the back, and thank you very much for coming out. And he will have a video up of our day there, and here in a few days or so, I'll probably put a picture video up, but he will have a real good video. He's a better talker than I am. And here's his little shop card. That was his old shop card, which I got one of those and the little one too, but this is his new one. Alright, thank you, Ed and Ernie. I really do appreciate it. We enjoyed it. Okay, now, Brian, Mr. BG, your Clona toy, and I can't remember who the other guy is that's putting it on. I'm sorry. Please don't beat me. But, so the Christmas Day group build Clona toy. I don't have the toy that I played with. I played with it when I was a kid. And, you know, that was long, you know, you're talking in the 70s and stuff, so it's long gone, but man, I remember it being one of my favorite toys, and it was a little Hot Wheels. And they made, I think, 3 versions of this Hot Wheels, and I got a picture of it here. It's not very good because I don't have the actual Hot Wheel no more, but I played with it in the dirt. I mean, it's just crazy how much I played with that toy. And, they have I think it was an orangish red color one. They had a metallic blue one and a baby blue one. I'm sorry my printer paper's not very good, but it's the, I think that's like a 53 or 56, somewhere around there, Ford with the motorcycles in the back. My printer's going out of ink, so that's about the best I could have got. But that is going to, I'll get a better picture later. But that's going to be my Clona toy, and let me see here. And what I'm going to use is this AMT 53 Ford pickup, and it's never been started. It's open, but you can see it's all still sealed on the inside. That will be my pickup. And then my 2 motorcycles are going to be the AMT parts pack. It's a double kit dirt bikes, and that right there will be that. And it probably won't exactly look like that. It will be blue, and it will have the motorcycles But I don't have no decals like that for the flames on the hood, but it'll somewhat look like that. It'll be my version of Clone-A-Toy. But that's my entry right now. That's my official entry for it. And then I'm going to turn this around here. Russell was wanting to see my old Revell 356 Porsche, and I'm going to show it to him. So, thank you. Alright, Russell, here you go. This was my Porsche 356 build. I built this a long time ago, and this is the original kit. I know the one you built, you said, was from the 90s, and I do have that kit right here too. This one here was from 96, and it's not even built. It's still unbuilt, all there. That's the one you built, Russell. This one here is an original kit from 1960, and mine's terrible. I built this. I didn't even care how I did it because I just threw it together. I didn't even do no plug wires, nothing like that. And this is what mine looks like, and mine's different than yours as far as, see these tires right here? These are the original kit tires and wheels. They were a two-piece hard wheel, where the kit you have in that 96 kit that I got there, they had the tires molded separate from the wheel, and this one had the spare. But that's the original kit. Now the windshield, I cut down and made it the way I wanted it to look on this one, and I put different decals on it, but that's just me playing around. I didn't do a good job of putting or nothing like that. But that one's mine, Russell. It's the one I got built. Like I said, I built this long time ago, and my skills are a lot better now than what it was, but I hold on to stuff like this. And then let me put that aside. And you were wondering why your kit only had one door panel and stuff like that. Well, this here is the original Speedster kit, and this, Russell, is the original box. I kept the box and instructions. This kit is from like 1960. Right there. Let it focus in. 1960. And there's we got the Austin Haleys. I got two of them. I got the competition one, and I got this one right here unbuilt. I've started it, but I've never finished it. Then I got the competition, which is British Racing Green with the numbers and this little sport windshield. But there's that one, Russell. And here it is, and this is the same way. I didn't take my time on this. I didn't do the plug wires. It's filthy and it's dirty. There it is. It's got the extra seat, where the competition versions don't even come with that, I don't think. Well, it might have, but it don't come with the door panel. It don't come with the door panel and stuff like that, but I don't know if you can see down in there. It's got the little back seat thing, and then it's got the bumpers on it. You can see right here. And it's got the hubcaps for the wheels, and it's still the same wheels as that other one with the little two-piece wheel on it. And got the little hood ornament. And there's the inside of this one. But there you go, Russell. You was wanting to see that. And any of y'all's not subscribed to Russell, y'all go over there and subscribe to Russell. He just built the Porsche, the Revell Porsche that I just showed you. And that's Russell's Model Cars. Y'all go over there and check him out too, and give him a good subscribe if you ain't already subscribed to him. Alright, guys. I've rambled on long enough. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.